What do we do? Yeah, yeah. When it feels like we've been lost for days and your life is stuck inside a maze. Yeah, we'll make it through. Yeah, yeah. But it feels like we've been stuck in time, trying to find myself, not lose my mind. Check, yo, track of time, well it seems that we've lost it. You're sick and you're tired and I'm ill and exhausted. There is a line and I think that you crossed it. You tried to catch my drift but I don't think that I tossed it. Yeah, they don't get me like you do. Work through the pain cause it's business as usual. This is the love that we need to protect in the end. I just hope you don't forget. I'll be there if ever you fall. I'll pick up if ever you call. I'll be there if ever you need. Promise you that I won't leave. I'll be there if ever you fall. I'll pick up if ever you call. I'll be there if ever you need. Promise you that I won't leave. No, no. Cause I love you. Love you. What do I do? Yeah, yeah. When it feels like I'm having the same fight, and I laugh and I cry on the same night. Lately I've been feeling like it ain't right. I want to, yeah, yeah, make everyone happy around me, but I think this life's gonna drown me. I'm just waiting for the day that they crown me, yeah. I got you like Wayne got lean, the good and bad.